Today I will guide you how to sign in to Fortnite account. For that you need to open any browser according to your choice, and here on the top you can see the search bar. Click on it and you need to type in www.epicgames.com. Once you type in it, here you need to press enter on the keyboard. Then you will be taken to the official site of the Fortnite application, and on the top right there is a login button. Click on it. After that, you'll be taken to this sign in or sign up page where you can simply sign in to your account by entering the email address, or else you can also sign in to your Fortnite account by this following applications. Here you need to enter your email address and click on continue button, and after that you need to enter the password. Then you can easily sign in to your Fortnite account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then hit the like button, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.